Stock market is where investors connect to buy and sell investments, most commonly stocks, which are shares of public company. So basically what is stock market? Stock market often refers to one of the major stock market indexes. Now it is very hard to track every single stock. So in my research I'm going to search about stock prices of top 3 companies in India related to pharmaceutical industries. Now, how does the stock market actually work? Now, it is pretty simple. Operating much like a auction house, the stock market enables buyers and sellers to negotiate prices and make trades. Now, let's see pharmaceutical industries. So, pharmacy industry is one of the most important sector in the world. Multiple companies in this sector have also come out to research and even find out multiple drugs for numerous diseases. Now, especially surfing the during the pandemic, many of the top companies have joined hands and tried to produce various drugs and vaccines for COVID pandemic. Now, because of this pandemic, stock prices have also changed a lot. It has changed completely. So, with the help of our analysis, we would see how the pandemic also affected on the stocks. Now let's move on to our data sets for better understanding. The recording stopped out. Known and talked about stock prices, stock market, and pharma industry in stock market. So let's move on to downloading our data set. So I have selected, as I've said before, I have selected top 3 pharma companies in this industry, and that would be Cipla, Lupin, and Sun Pharma. Now I needed data set to research on. I needed a 10-year data set of monthly stock prices. So I searched for many sites, and there are many sites like BSC.com and Money Control and all. But I like this Yahoo.com much better because it had download option and it was much better. I have already loaded the screen, as we can see. This is Cipla, and here we can see the closing price of Cipla, that is today's closing price, and we can even compare on these stock prices. As you can see here, there are multiple options for investors to even see here, to check and to compare the different companies. So this is Sun Pharmaceutical, and this is the statistics. Even statistics is mentioned, but it is better to analyze it as simple. So invest, it would be easy for new beginners to invest in the stock. As we can see, this is not like business beginners investing. And this is of Lupin. Here I have chose the historical data, and I have mentioned here from 6th May 2011 to 6th May 2021. I have researched upon the March 2011 to March 2021, as I was researching on this topic from since March. So I have set the frequency to month basis. As you can see, it is May, April, March, and till it would be 2011. So there would be basically 120 entries, and we can even download here with this option. So it just downloads. So I have already downloaded, so I don't need this. Now let's move on to data sets. So this is the Cipla data set. There would be the date, then there would be open price, high price, low price, and close price. We need to also find the return of investment. We'll look into that in next data set. Here also same, I have mentioned return of investment. Here I have calculated on my own using the high and low prices. As this, here you can see the return of investment is this, basically is high price minus low price, high minus low. So I have just copy pasted it, and again I have got return of investment 120 entries. So now I need to sample. I need sample. I am using simple random sampling for this, and there is formula in Excel for simple random sampling, and to find a basic of statistics that would help. As you can see in the left screen, in this sticky note, you can see there are different formulas I have used to calculate and to analyze this in the Excel. So here I will even post this in the description for better understanding. So I have used here sample, and I have saved it immediately because it changes, it keeps on changing. So for now easy method, I have copy pasted each and every value to another an XML sheet. As the day monthly basis would be same, as I have selected from March 2011 to March 2021, so the date timeline would be same. So I have mentioned here open, high, low and close of all three companies, as you can see. Now after that I have calculated, I have found the sample random. As you can see here, this is sample random of Cipla, sample random of Sun Pharma, sample random of Lupin. Now as I mentioned before, we can either analyze on the high prices or the return of investment. It depends on what basis you are choosing on. As return of investment means also, it can also mean that the open prices minus the the close price minus the open price, but sometimes it might get into negative. So I didn't prefer that, I preferred the high prices. So these are the sample. I have the sample size is 20. As you can see, this is the sample price of Cipla, this is Sun Pharma and Lupin. Now we would find the mean of the population also and the sample also. So here is the mean. I have calculated mean for all open, high, low and close prices. I didn't need to, but even one price like I am calculating on high, mean of high would be enough. So it is Cipla's mean is this. This is the population mean. This is of Sun Pharma and this is of Lupin. And similarly I have calculated the variance, the standard deviation. This is the population's variance and population standard deviation. In the same way I have calculated for sample also, and standard error in population and even standard error of sample, even the confidence. And as the sample size is 20, the degree of freedom would be n minus 1, that is 19. 20 minus 1, 19. And critical value would be same as different degree of freedom is same. So critical value is 2.0930 as shown in the screen. Margin of error, there is a huge difference between the margin of error. Now there is even confidence interval. Now let's I have even visualized using Data Studio, so it would be better understanding. As we can see here, the open prices of all three companies, and this is open, high, low and close of all three companies from 10 years. You can see from beginning, like in 2011, almost the prices of all three companies were same, or not same, but even there was not much difference. But as time increased, especially in 2015 and all, the Lupin stock price hiked up a lot, by lot margin. As you can see, hiked up a lot. And even during 2020, it has again, there is not much difference, but still Lupin is almost has more stock value and return of investment than other two companies. And this is the time series analysis for the one. As we can see, as I said in the beginning, the all three prices of return of investment were same, but as time increases, the Lupin is much more profitable than other two companies. That means basically return of investment is more in Lupin. So this is also table after I have calculated. We can see the more value, the more investors would love to invest in the Lupin Limited